Hey, what is up you guys, it's Boshan. I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. So here's the box itself, very simple box with white and red accents. And so at the top itself, the first main highlight is the 10 minutes of charge with 10 hours of backup, and a full charge gives you a 20 hours of backup. So at the back they've given the main features like warp charge, long battery life, magnetic control, waterproof, quick switch which allows you to connect two devices at the same time, can be switched by double tapping the button, and low latency mode for fanatic mode in OnePlus devices only. So here we open up the box itself. The first thing we are presented with is the earphones itself. There's another small box which includes the manual and other user guide and warranty stuff, and there's even the Red Cable Club card included in this box as well. So to the other side of the box are the earbuds which are included, which are the large and the small ones. The medium ones are already installed on the earbuds, and here is the red cable which is included, which is a type C cable. So let's keep this all aside and get into the earbuds itself. So the earbuds are of really good quality. I felt by using wireless 2 and going to this, these look of a really good quality for 2000 rupees. So here's the earbuds. To one side they have the button which is used to switch between two devices, and a OnePlus logo. There's plus and minus indication for volume increase and decrease, and a microphone, and there's a middle button which is used for voice assistant, play and pause. So here's the magnets which allows you to connect both of the earbuds together when not in use, and there is of a plastic build which is the only difference between the wireless 2 and this earbuds. And they're very light in weight, so they don't feel much of a weight around your neck, and the overall quality of the earbuds are really good for the price. And so the magnets allow you to play and pause and switch between the devices as well. And the overall, the bass is really good, but not too much of bass. There's an adequate amount of bass, and I felt it was really good deal for the price of 2000 rupees by OnePlus. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye now.